Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're going to be making today. It's a very simple card. It uses mint macaron that I hardly ever use. So let me show you how I did it. I've got, as I said, the mint macaron card base, and this is a standard A6 card base. So it's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I've got some of this wonderful Mosaic Mood Designer Series paper, and this is from the annual catalogue. And you can see you've got the two designs, and we're actually going to be using both today. I don't know if you can see, it catches there in the light. Oh, it did. That you can see it actually has an embossed texture over it. And then I've got a piece here of, and that measures 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters, and this measures 8 cent. Well, how much does this measure? Let me have a look. 7.5 centimeters square. And then I've got a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 7 centimeters square, so this is soft suede. And I've got a piece of mint macaron here that measures 5 centimeters by 8, and a little piece more of the Designer Series paper that measures 4 by 7. But all those measurements will be on the blog post. So let me keep out this piece of Whisper White because we're going to be doing some stamping. And the stamps that we're going to use is the matching one called Memorable Mosaic. I'm going to be using this sentiment here, and I'm going to be stamping that in the matching soft suede ink. So let's ink that up, get it the right way around, and we're just going to try and get this as central as possible. So I'm sorry if my head's in the camera, so I'm trying to make a decision and go for it. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, so close this up, put that aside. Okay, leave that aside to dry for a second. Now I'm going to bring back my card base, my Designer Series piece of paper. We're going to stick this down. Okay. And I liked it with the swirls going this way, but you can have it that way, it's up to you. And again, I've matched the colours in the paper with the card base and my inks and everything. So this colour here is actually terracotta tile, so set that there. Then I'm going to bring back these two pieces here, and this is the reverse of that paper. You can see here the mint macaron and the soft suede in this, and I'm going to center this here, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to measure it about halfway down and across, and I'm going to put that down like that. Bring back our stamp piece, and we're just going to stick this to our soft suede like that, and this is going to get popped up on some dimensionals. So bring back my dimensionals. As you know, I'm usually fairly generous with my dimensionals, especially when I'm popping up something that's quite big like this, so I don't want it to sag. Okay, that'll do for now. Get all the backs off it. This is the most tedious task, I think, is taking backs off dimensionals. Okay, now we just feel, yeah, I've got them all. And then I'm just going to put this down on the other side like that. Okay, so let me get rid of these backings, the dimensionals, because I get sick of them all over the floor and following me around. And now, it's finishing touches. We're going to be using some of these in colour faceted dots, and I'm going to be using the terracotta tile colour, and I'm going to use one of each size. So just pick those up, put them down, and we're done. Short and sweet and simple. So there you go. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this blog, it'll be on the this post. If you want any information about this project, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to my website and all my social media links, including my Facebook group, are in the description box below. Thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!